Welcome. In 60 seconds I'll show you how to enter a Betmgm promo code on desktop or mobile. Open the Betmgm app or visit betmgm.com and sign in with your username and password. Tap the profile icon in the top right, or click your account name on the website. Choose promotions or offers from the menu to access available promos. If you don't see a code box, go to account settings and find promo code. Keep your code handy, copy it from your email or notes before continuing. Back in promotions, locate the promo code field. It's usually labeled promo code. Tap the field to type or paste the code. Make sure there are no extra spaces. After entering the code, tap apply or submit to attach the promotion to your account. You should see a confirmation message or the bonus listed under your offers. If it fails, double-check the code, expiration date, and eligibility requirements. Quick recap: sign in, open promotions, enter the code exactly, hit apply, and check your offers. Ready to try it now?